here with the Model X, Tesla's Model X at the Canadian International Auto Show. Let's take a look inside. Beautiful. Look at this. Pretty nice. There's a Cybertruck over there looking pretty. I'm just gonna get in here, and lots of space back there. Retail price over 100,000 though on this. And actually really comfy. The comfort in here is pretty spot on. So the seats feel really nice. Like I said, lots of comfort, and it's really spacious. There's a ton of room. I have a ton of room here. I love the little pilot seats. It's so cool. There I am in the rear view window, enjoying myself, sunning myself in the back seat. Let's look at the Cybertruck up close. So really cool. It's a beast. You can see it here at the Canadian International Auto Show. And right here, I have my personal favorite out of Tesla so far, which is a Model X, which I showed off yesterday. And I did not realize there's all these other rows of seats back here. I had no idea about this, so I don't know if that one up. But anyway, look at this thing. It's like a little minibus. Oh my God, how cool is it? So on top of being super comfy and exciting with the design, you can fit 7 passengers inside. Where are we going next?